Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to add Home Up option to your home screen settings. So Samsung's default home screen settings are good, but Home Up takes it to another level. So here, as you can see, when you look at your home screen settings, you'll see this new option come up called Home Up. So Home Up is part of the Samsung's Good Lock suite, which you can download from the Galaxy Store. Once you install Home Up, it actually shows up in your home screen settings menu, making customization super simple. So let me show you how to add that button to your home screen customization. So first you need to go ahead and download the Good Lock app. In the Good Lock app, scroll down and find Home Up. Turn the feature on, tap on home screen, and make sure to enable this setting here. Use setting dialog on home screen. So make sure that's turned on, then press home. Now go ahead and long press on your home screen and you'll see your Home Up customization. So here you can go ahead and change how your app drawer is organized, your grid size, the number of apps per page, and even the background blur. You can create folder layouts that look cleaner and more functional. You can back up and restore your exact home screen setup so you can reset your phone or switch devices so you don't lose your layout. So this is perfect for those who like phone looking and working in a certain way. It saves time and makes your phone feel truly personal. So there you go guys, that is how to add the Home Up option to your home screen setting on your Samsung Galaxy device on One UI 8.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.